Hello everyone and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. I have a nice and easy one for you all today. I will be sharing with you my chicken peppers and onion pita pocket made out of my leftover chicken breast. Use whatever seasonings you have on hand. I believe I used garlic, onion, herb de Provence, sea salt, and pepper for my seasonings. I added only vegan mayonnaise to my pita pocket, and yes, don't knock it till you try it. Saute your frozen onions and peppers together with your chicken, and before you know it, you'll have 4 pita pockets within 10 to 12 minutes. It serves 2 to 4 people depending on your appetite. I hope you all enjoy. Make sure to share, comment below, and subscribe. Be sure to check out my Pita Pocket playlist down in the description below, along with some other ideas as well. Thank you for watching, and if you learned anything new today, please be sure to share my video. Thanks so much.